I like the people. I like the culture. I've always So we're in Myeongdong right here, and if you need a luggage to be dropped off, you don't want to carry around, this is a place to do it.
Welcome. Let's go shopping at Myeongdong Sidewalk Street.
Oh my gosh, this is awesome. Oh, what is that drink? Yeah, take it out and see. Oh, hey, that's the
Honey butter.
yeah, honey butter. That's what I like that stuff.
We like honey butter cheap.
Yeah, yeah. So this is all nothing but almonds with all different type of flavors. There's one for a black sesame almond. You guys know about the tteokbokki, right? So this is tteokbokki flavor of almond. Hi, little Cutie. Thank you. Yeah, roasted baked corn. Wait, they got garlic bread. Look, they have a garlic bread here.
Oh,
Oh my gosh.
strawberry. Almond.
Yeah, the strawberries.
How can I help you?
Oh, how can I feel? I love all those almond flavors that you have in samples. Could you give me some like maybe kimchi flavor? How about
I'm not sure if we have one. Let's go check it.
that? Look, I'm gonna try ganjang chicken almond, which is a soy sauce chicken almond. That looks pretty tasty. Let's try with a sample.
Mmm, delicious.
Can you taste the soy sauce?
Yeah, I would do taste the soy sauce and all that.
What do you like about Korea and what's the reason you came to Korea and especially Myeongdong?
I like the people. I like the culture. And I like learning about new things in Korea, and I've always been super interested, especially coming from LA.
Oh. How about yourself?
The people. We love the people. We came for the culture. Weekend trip, only 2 days, but the excitement. Love how clean it is. Love how friendly the people are. But most important, the culture. We love to learn about new cultures and how respectful everyone is. And very respectful. You take a lot of pride in the Korean people, and we respect that. We love it. And the food is awesome, by the way. I love how spicy everything is. I'm a spicy person, but a little too spicy, so I try to get it like the type to make you sweat and cry. But I'm a spice guy, so I'm all here for the Korean spice. So
What's your favorite food?
favorite food, I'm simple. So right now, just a spicy chicken. I know it's so simple, I know, but the spicy chicken, it was good last night.
I like the tempura on a steak. It's like the tacos. It's like the taco stand of Korea.
Have you ever tried the bibimbap or galbi?
No.
Not yet.
Next time when you come, you should definitely try it.
For sure. Definitely will.
Nice
Thank you so
meeting
much. Yeah, of course.
And
Thank you guys.
have a great time.
Thank you, Korea. We appreciate you guys.
Okay. All right. Thanks. See ya.
This is cute and made in Korea. Emis. It's about $50. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. I don't know what to do with this. I think it's a purse. Looks like they have a Converse store in Myeongdong as well. 네, 안녕하세요. 와우, 귀엽다. That's interesting. I also have one of these at home. Look at this high heel Converse. Wow, some people like to be tall, so they make them tall like this. This store looks interesting, so I'm gonna check and see what they have. Let's go in. Oh, they are cute. Look at this.
They're all different patches, aren't they?
Uh-huh. They have all kinds of animals. Look, dinosaurs and ducks and lion. It looks like they are like $1 to $2 per patch, which is not bad price at all. He's writing in the computer board, and then it can just stitch automatically. Looks like they are for your Crocs. I have a foundation that has a sunblock in it, like this one. So I'm looking for one like this. I don't know if I can find one, but let's go check. 안녕하세요. 혹시 뭐 선블락 그런 거 있어요?
누가 쓸 거예요? 고객님 사용하실
예,
거예요?
예.
얘네 톤업 되는 게 있거든요.
색깔이
네, 이렇게 하면 메이크업 베이스랑 다 같이 돼 있는 거예요. 화장 여러 번 안 하실 때는 그냥 이거 하나를 해주시면 돼요. 이렇게 돼 있는 것도 있고요.
색깔이 조금
얘
그냥
같은 경우에는
제 색깔이 텐이니까 좀 텐 그런 거 없어요?
그러면 얘는 컬러 없는 거예요. 그냥 선스크림, 선블록만.
It has a cheese inside, and I think it's about 5,000원이에요? 얼마예요? 4,000원, which is in Korean 4,001 American dollar. Is about maybe 3-ish. And it has a cheese. This symbol is Korean 10 cents. They have a mandu and tteokbokki. It's a hot paste. It might be a little spicy. And then this is a fish cake on a stick with the soup. It's really tasty. They use tortilla, and then they put a chocolate topping inside and fold it in half, and you stamp it, and it becomes a fish bread, which is about $4. Pork belly, and they roll it with other stuff in it. Let's check what they have inside. Look like a kimchi and perilla leaf. This is onion, onion, kimchi, and cheese on a pork belly. They roll it like a kimbap, like a sushi roll. That's an interesting choice.
Now this is Oreo churro.
Mm-hmm.
Wow, they
They
look pretty good.
are thinner than usual,
Yeah.
but they use
I mean, it's like
Oreo.
a Mexican churro, but made out of Oreo.
Yeah,
That is so cool.
kind of like a Chinese food, but they have a rice cake. It's almost like a tteokbokki. It's hot.
It's very chewy. It's like a 찡쩍찡쩍. I don't know how to say that in English. It's
Little
like
sticky.
Sticky and very soft. Yeah, sweet.
It has a little nut and then black sesame seed as well.
Uh-huh. Alright guys, so this Myeongdong is a crazy place, but I hope you guys liked it, and we liked it a lot, and it's fun. And so I hope you guys liked our video, and we see you guys next time. Okay, I see you later.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye-bye.